Maybe you were looking, but you weren't really seeing.
What's wrong?
We need to talk.
Okay.
I feel like I have to make a choice here before things get more messed up than they already are.
If you want to go, you should go. If you do, we're done.
I'm sorry. This is my song, these are my words, this is my story. This is my song, these are my
How am I supposed to take you serious if you don't take yourself seriously?
You want to be a bitch? That's cool. Just sit in your closet, listen to your loser rock, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Really?
No, I don't think we're gonna be doing a lot of talking. It will never happen again.
It's fine by me. Like, I don't have other options.
I didn't ask for this either.
This is my song, these are my words.
That sucks.
This is my story.
I still do love you. I always will.
Sorry.